Hi all, I am Khanam. In this complete course, we are going to build real-world e-commerce project using PHP and MySQL. Few months back, I have uploaded e-commerce using Stack, and in Instagram, I have got DMs from students stating create similar kind of project using PHP and MySQL. So that is the reason I am creating this project. If you are a beginner or if you are a student and want to learn some programming language and create some real world project, then this project is for you. Why? Because in this project, we are going to have user dashboard, complete user functionalities, admin dashboard. Admin can manage our entire website. We will also integrate payment gateway so that you will understand in real world project how this payment gateway will be working. And also we are having other functionalities like searching the product, filtering, etc. So step by step complete project I will be teaching you. Don't skip anything because in each and every video, there is always something new to learn. For front end, I will be using Bootstrap along with custom CSS. So complete stylings and images, you will be finding the link in the description, as well as I have given project source code link in the description. On urgent basis, if you want complete project, you can download the source code. There you will also find how to set up this complete project. But I would suggest as a beginner, if you want to learn something, then watch this complete video and create this project on your own. Any point of the course, if you're having any doubts, you can ask your doubts in comment section. Definitely together we can resolve all the issues. If you watch, you will understand how this project will be working, what are the functionalities we are having in this project, and what all the things we are going to learn in this complete project. Grab a cup of tea, follow this complete course, and together we are going to build this project.